Hello and welcome back to the video tutorials for the educationalpath.com teacher training. If you haven't yet registered, please do so at this site. If you have, then you probably know that my name is Alvaro, I'm the course coordinator, and this is a video on tefl resources for teachers. Now, obviously, clicking here, or whatever that is now, if it changes in the future, clicks to the video, the one that you're watching now. If you go down, right now it's here, but again it might change. There is a link, tefl resources for teachers, and that opens up this document. So this video is going to explain you what is in that document and some of the links. Yeah, most of them are from Cambridge English. We are collaborating with them now as a training center for both students and teachers. Now, obviously, as partners of this institution, we have easy access to some of the resources. Now, and I would like to help you learn more about teaching by offering you these resources. All that you have to do is click here. So if you click, for example, in the webinars, it opens up the website. Now, obviously, once we exit our website, we are not in charge of what happens there. For example, in this one, they tell you about the webinars, but you have to register. It's free of charge, and obviously, what they need is some contact details of yours. Um, you can say if in your job title you can put here trainee, and the name of the institution you can put educationalpaths.com. Country territory you can just put Spain. Okay, then you sign up. Obviously, in the email you need to put your own email, and then when you sign up, they just give you this information. Say, for example, right now we have on this coming Monday, and on Wednesday we have at these times this webinar. You can have some more information about here. Okay, and then you can register and everything. Yeah, these are free, and it's just an opportunity for you to learn from other trainees, with other trainees, and you know have more ideas about what this is. Please do share with us if you think that there is something specifically relevant. Okay, you can share it with me first, and then maybe I can share it with everyone. But obviously, collaborating as a team, it means that we can have more resources. I mean, not more resources, but we can have an evaluation of what the resources are good for you. Okay, so the next one, if you want to do more than just short webinars, this is another opportunity you can have thanks through our partnership with Cambridge Assessment English. And this is MOOCs. These are online courses that are completely free, and all that you have to do again is like register the one you like, and then go ahead and sign. Now, most of these courses are free of charge, and then they encourage you to register fully to get some sort of accreditation, and that you pay for. It's not expensive, some of them, but you don't need to do it. Okay, it's entirely up to you. Um, Okay, so this is mainly about learning. If you're interested in other accreditation, so as you've probably seen in one of the first web videos, I talk here in this video about the certificate that you have and the reference and the skills portfolio. Here is your portfolio and evidence. Um, we believe that teaching is not something that you learn a lot of theory and then you just have a test on how much you have remembered. And we believe that teaching English, just like teaching any language or just teaching, is something that you practice and you gain skills, and that's what we have this portfolio. But at the same time, now I'm proposing you other possibilities from the feedback that we've had from other trainees, is that they're interested in knowing more about theory. So that's why we were interested in this partnership with this institution, And with these, you can not just learn more, but also gain other qualifications. So the teaching knowledge tests, the TKTs as they are popularly known, they are little tests, little modules that you can prepare. So here, if you click on this link, it gives you just obviously what these TKTs are, and then what modules. The first module is language and background to language learning and teaching. The second is lesson planning and the use of resources. And this module is managing and teaching learning process. Now, these modules are things that you learn when you're doing this course with us. You learn them by watching these videos. You learn them mainly, especially modules 2 and even more 3 with the practice and the feedback that you transfer into your portfolios. Now, there are other modules, the CLIL, how to use language content. This is interesting, especially if you're thinking of teaching in primary schools or secondary schools or adult education, but teaching a subject with the purpose of learning English as a second or as a foreign language, okay? And then if you're specifically interested in teaching young learners, which is something that we do at the educational paths, and you want to learn more about it, maybe you were interested in this TKT. So basically, this is about you learning more and possibly gain extra qualifications that you can eventually, if you gain them during or after you're doing the course with us, you can report it to us, and then it gets included in your certificate and in your teaching portfolio. So this is how you can prepare for that. At the moment, we're not preparing specifically for these TKTs. If you're interested in us preparing you for these, then let us know. Just send me an email. But this is how you can prepare yourself. So basically, you have sample tests, and then you can get the questions and see how the answers are. If you're struggling with these, then again, let me know, and we might consider scheduling some preparation. Obviously, you will have some of that in the webinars that I've just shown you earlier on this video. Now, other resources, so this is Teaching English. This is more resources that you can have from Cambridge English about how to prepare for the lessons. And this one will be just learning English for your students. There is also this one specifically for sorry, Spanish learners and teachers in Spain. That is in Spanish, and it might be interesting for you, especially if you are interested more in teaching in Spain for longer term, or just if you are interested in learning Spanish, and you want to read about all of these from the point of view of someone learning in Spain. Okay, so then again, is this whole platform is divided into resources for teachers, resources for the families to support their students, especially the young students, and then for students themselves. So go ahead, browse this website, and then let me know if you find anything that you find particularly interesting. Thank you very much again for watching this video, and look forward to hearing from you.